Here is Stewartville. So I think it's the same. One of our fans asked us to do a little video in here, so that's what I'm gonna go visit the place right now, go around a bit. So this is the thing. Yeah, so this here is in Stewartville. We're gonna stop by ask these guys beside 82. Used to be yoga place.
Somebody big like
Maybe you should ask somebody.
yeah. Got it. I can ask them for the
We're going along Stewartville here. So this place is supposed to be where the train line is. Railway line. Yeah. Here too. That's not it. Have you seen that number? It says 82 or 83, so we're going to three-way. Yeah, 82, 83. No, but not here. You gotta go across.
How many people got in left?
On the house, eh? Morning. Yeah, we're looking for a place where the railway line used to be. Straight over there? Okay, thank you. I don't know, they had a whole yoga place there a long time ago. They built a yoga place. Some minister used to live back there sometime.
Long year story. People hardly know.
Got one of the original houses here. So right line up. This here, yeah, you gotta go across the bridge. So 82 or 83. People who living here maybe should know. There's a yoga place.
You see big people like age proportion like what a lady. That lady looks like she's 60 years young.
Maybe she needs
So if the person as old as they should be to remember that, I might remember. As they get older.
This is what I do too.
Yeah, I find out a lot. So, truck will come on the wrong side even.
Yeah, 62.
There you want me to go check there?
66.
66.
Looks so. Yeah, 66
So
and
you go up
65.
the side, right? You go up the side or you go down?
Yeah, what you say? What is it? You see, yeah, 66,
66 there.
and 65 right when you see one, so yeah. Alright, I got it. No, you may not want a lot because you got 66 and 65.
65, 66.
So it's usually been the same side, all the numbers? Or you got add on one side?
But the normal is run for on C2, no? Go back that side, yes, and
Oh.
but we now see the next one. But no, if you run on this side or you run on this side.
This one is like when you
Oh, here?
no, when we send out, this is what
Oh, over there.
I see somebody digging up.
Shall we save you? We save you. Oh, nice flowers over here. Yeah, nice shed here, right? Nice house, eh? Overseas Florida style. I see nobody, right?
Yeah, man.
Where go ask you? I'm pulling the car,
He
eh?
might know.
Might know.
He look like young.
Look young.
He looks so.
You don't see no other number of the houses.
And he look like on carpenter man.
You don't see no other number of the houses.
No one, no.
Right here.
Oh, young way, young way. No,
You have one here? Yeah. So I met one of your relatives here. So, yes, uncle, so he was telling me.
Maybe you're wrong direction. You know. This girl alone, she live in New York. You know.
Yeah,
This person live in New York.
I'm not sure where she lives, but she's a fan of my channel, telling me that she left there when she was a little girl. So that the girl, all right.
But she named Chitra.
Yeah, but I don't know her real name.
Okay.
So she could be.
Because there's a lot of scamming going on for people rob people in house and things. You know.
No. I know what you're talking about. So the house was there. So where do you get that street from?
What a White House for that, don't they?
Uh-huh.
Where that old flat place there? The next building?
Uh-huh.
That was they were living there.
Oh, they were living there, this house?
And that thing there, that little flat thing there was a rock shop.
Oh, this flat thing was a rum shop,
Yeah,
and they were living in the White House.
And the minister may come to one Bawan.
Bawan. Okay.
She's not live here.
They live here?
Banarji, the man used to write book and to print. He had printed this.
Oh, okay. And you're related to her?
Yeah, me grandmother and then grandmother's sister.
Oh, so you see, Fari, I found one of your relatives here. Just by luck, we decided to stop here and ask, and was it the right person?
Farida? Is that the person you talk about?
Fari, her name goes.
Alright, where they live there?
I don't know exactly where she lives. I can't know that.
Actually, you know him once.
Hemant? I can't talk to her now, but yeah, Hemant. So I think it's the right person you're talking to, because she said it 283, or she moved when she was little, and it's along the railway line. And then it was a yoga place. Last thing she heard, they were building a yoga place.
They were building the yoga place here.
Yeah, but this is the house, this White House
Hey,
here.
White House, you got people living there, you know.
All right, thank you so much,
Oh,
uncle.
you're welcome, man. Take care.
All right, take care. All right, so the place is right here. We found the right spot. So uncle said you should know Hemant. So this building with a roof back there, he said that's where the yoga place was built, but he said you guys used to live in this White House here. So that's so there's a street here. Yeah, we gotta get it. So this White House here, no even know. He said that this is the house. So here, somewhere here. Can we go down here? So well, you can't go wrong there. Oh, yeah, you can go wrong here. Street there. Is it?
It's a big park on the bridge there. Oh no, yes, yes. We can go over? No, you can't.
You can't go there. Oh, you can't go. Maybe you gotta go back out there. That's the first time I ever come in here. You come in here before, did you?
Yeah, he was walking it.
We just walking in. Yeah, well, you got all over the place.
Yeah, we probably sit back here with them. Yeah, with them and you never see the box around the time.
Oh, he got out of there? Yeah.
More of it.
So Uncle said this flat shop here was a rum shop. And this is where Chitra them used to live. This house here. And the yoga place is back there. That big building back there, but I don't know how to get there. But this is your place here. So I promised I'd come. And here I am. And I also met one of your relatives. We saw him over there. So this is a place.
Recognizes that relative house.
Yeah, so this house here is uncle where I was talking to, that's his house. So I don't know if you recognize that house, if it's the same or... This is mango tree, got a mango boy. You take over vine there. Vine take over your mango tree, this one.
Actually, that was vehicle. This was my vehicle.
Oh yeah?
The Rado went inside there. You want to go through the other entrance or you want to go which way?
Alright, go back. Go there. Go behind. दिल बैगन नॉक कर देना वाले भाई मिट्टी है कौन से
अपार्टमेंट ले रहे हैं
ये बस ये कम से
ये मैं बताना चाहती हूँ लाइक सो यार किसी ने मैं कहूँ क्या ही वो सब मैं बताना चाहती हूँ लाइक सो the apartment building you got the old lady old mice house next come your back on something like this
oh it's a house spread dog here cái mảnh đấy sao ấy ở đi ăn đi
no
oh not this part what they comment up
hey this part I got you oh me got you them nami whole PPP election so the second of this whole road
maybe not this street, not some other street.
But ma'am, they're there with the second salary pass on.
Yeah, elephant ही हो गए ना
Ice cream. You want ice cream, Charlie? Yeah, man, he got one thing here. This man is telling about
a mask.
a mask. Yeah, I can't remember it was a man there or a mask. So we coming out the other entrance of Stewartville.
Hidden is keep the rally.
You don't want to go rally, I think.
Hidden just keep it.
Oh.
Road.
Oh. Check out the original house there, boy. Bay Street. I drive a fish there.
Very sound today, right?
That's good. Yeah, I don't worry in today. Alright guys, so that's it. We're back to the main road. That was a little tour of Stewartville by the railway line. Coming out on the other side. So if you enjoyed the video, remember to give it a like, comment, subscribe, share the video. And as always, thanks for watching. Fire Station.